Right. Let me start by explaining what we are doing these days. Actually, we have already finished our syllabus. So this is the second time that we are discussing the syllabus, as we have already done and finished this. But this time, actually, we are going to discuss this rapidly. As I promise you to discuss this again before your examination. Now your schools to be started. And but we have already finished the syllabus, and this is the second time that we are finishing the syllabus. අපි එකපාරක් සිලබස් එක ඉවර කරලා අවුරුද්දක් කතා කරලා දැන් ආයේ සාරාංශයත් කතා කරලා ඉවර කරාම තමයි ඔන්න ස්කූල්ස් එහෙම පටන් ගන්න. එතකොට ඔයාලට හොඳට හැබැයි ඉස්කෝලේ ප්‍රශ්න වලට උත්තර ලියලා එක්සෑම්ස් එහෙම හොඳට පාස් වෙන්න ඒ වගේම පන්තියේ හොඳ ස්ථානයක් ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. right. හරි. අපි කතා කරමින් හිටියේ දරුවනේ මෙන්න මේ පාඩම. තුන්වන පාඩම. එතකොට අපිට අද පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්නේ හතරවන පාඩම. කාට හරි මිස් වුණා නම් මේ මුල් පාඩම්. If you miss the first few lessons 1, 2 and 3, please watch last 3 videos. It's already uploaded to the it's uploaded to the JITS website. You can go and watch them. Lesson 1, 2 and 3. Actually this summary. This is actually faster way of discussing the syllabus. We will be finishing one chapter per day. So that is super fast, right? Because it took like 8 months, 9 months to finish these 6 chapters with the practicals, all these things. But now actually we are discussing only just within 1 day, 3 days to finish first 3 lessons. Now 4th day, we will be finishing the 4th lesson today. So this is not the regular class, right? So that means if you are new to the class, you may not be able to gather everything within this day. So my recommendation when you're coming to the next grade, please participate to the lower grade, which means when you are in grade 7, I need you to participate grade 6 as well. But that is in November, right? That is in November. So new classes, when we start the new classes. Okay, so let's go to the lesson number 4. Lesson number 4 is about using keyboard and mouse properly with application software. Using keyboard and mouse properly with application software. That is the lesson here. The 4th lesson. Okay. So first of all, I would like to ask one question from you. What is application software? What is application software?
It's
Yes. What is application software? Okay. So it seems that you cannot remember, or sometimes you are doubt.
Application software means software which helps specific user needs.
Yes. So yes, that is correct. Application software means a software which is used for specific user need. විශේෂ user ගේ කාර්යකට, පරිශීලකයාගේ කාර්යයකට. So specific user need. It's helping to address specific user need. Maybe designing a graphic, or editing audio, playing video, or editing a document, do a calculation. Likewise, a specific task can be done with application software. Application software එකකින් විශේෂ කාර්යයක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. Specific task. So that is the application software. Okay, so is there any other software in computer other than application software? Is there any other category?
system software.
System software, exactly. The second category is system software. So what is the what are the usages of system software then? Application software addressing specific user needs. User ගේ කාර්යයන් වලට, user ගේ අවශ්‍යතා වලට, graphic editing, video, watching video, playing game, maybe visiting website, specific user need. So what about the system software? What is the purpose of system software then?
System software is the software which works with hardware.
Yes, it is a software which works with hardware. system දැන් අපිට අපේ වැඩ විතරක් කරගෙන බෑනේ. computer එකේ වැඩ කරගන්නත් එපයි. අපේ වැඩ කරගන්න application software. computer එකේ වැඩ ටික කරගන්න system software. To assist hardware, to work with hardware, to communicate with hardware, to manage and control hardware, you need system software. Example for system software.
Windows.
Yes, Windows operating, that means generally it's operating system, right?
Ubuntu operating system.
Yes, Red Hat, Ubuntu,
macOS,
Windows,
macOS,
macOS, Ubuntu, Android,
Ubuntu,
Santana,
Android,
Santana,
Linux, yes. correct.
Dora,
Santana.
Okay, lot of operating systems. Okay, in generally operating systems, right? In generally operating
Windows 11.
Yes, there are a lot, right? Windows 11, 7, 8, 9, you know, all are there, right? Not 9, 7, 8, XP, Vista, XP, so Windows Me, Windows Longhorn, Windows 2000, Windows 98, 95.
Sir,
all these.
I have questions, sir.
Windows
Vista.
Yes, Abhinav.
Sir, when we activate Windows 11 to Windows 10 to Windows 11, do our files are vanishing or something?
No, not normally. When you update, it's not. But when you do a new installation, yes. When you
Sir,
update,
when I activate Windows 11, the application I want to download it them again.
no, normally the compatible application will remain, right? Whatever not compatible, you have to reinstall. But normally the compatible application and your data will remain, right? Compatible
Means the
application.
apps and files, all of them.
ඒවා තියෙනවා සාමාන්‍යයෙන් update කරොත් new installation එකකට ගියොත් තමයි අලුතෙන් දාන්නේ. update කරොත්
It is
තියෙනවා.
a new-
හැබැයි මෙහෙමයි. Think about the compatibility පුතේ. Think about the compatibility because there are still some complaints coming about Windows 11. So cursor not working, that one is not working. එහෙම පොඩි ඒවා තියෙනවා තාම issues. එහෙනම් ඒ ටික ඔක්කොම බලලා එකපාර update කරන්න එපා, ටිකක් ඉඳලා update කරන්න. Because when they fix the problems, you can update smoothly. But before fix the problem, if you update, you are also in a trouble. Okay.
Sir, I have already updated.
That is okay if you have done, but you can't reverse that now. So, but the thing is, sometimes it might introduce new errors, new bugs, because still that is new, right? So you might face some difficulties. That's the nature, right? But maybe it's good as well. Good and bad sides both are there. Okay, so let's move. Now we learn about two categories of software. First category, application software, that is for us. We are using that for our needs. නේද? අපේ needs වලට අපි පාවිච්චි කරන software application. Computer එකේ need වලට computer එක පාවිච්චි කරන software system. Example, operating systems. Right? You have given lot of operating systems. Okay. So application software can support these tasks. As we said, preparing budget reports, watching videos, documents, computer games, searching internet, editing pictures, sending emails, watching movies, right? Playing games. All these are applications, user needs. And so these user needs can be general or specific. General means whatever we have discussed. Specific means school management, library management, banking, gaming, and maybe so because we don't need that, right? We don't need that. Banking system, do we need to install in our computer? Normally not. Library system? Normally not. School management system? Hospital management system? No, we don't want that.
No.
But computer games we need, is it? Right.
actually.
Sometimes, yes, not always, right? Computer games, sometimes we need it, but not always. Computer games, like there was a debate nowadays also in the society, the computer games are bad, like some students are suiciding and these things, but it is not necessary to suicide because of a game, right? Game එකකින් suicide කරගන්න කියන්නේ modern, so we don't want to do that. So game is like a computer game is What? That is a special purpose application software. Nothing else. Sometimes we need games. I agree. Game ගහන්න එපා කියලා කියන්නේ නැහැ. Games ඕන, games හැම වෙලේම නෙවෙයි. With some limitations.
Like Minecraft.
Sorry.
Minecraft.
Yes, mind games. Sometimes like puzzle games, mind games. So that will definitely develop your
Minecraft,
skills.
Blocks වලින්ම තියෙන ඒකට මේ කියන්නේ මේ මොකද්ද සමහර දිනවල තියෙන බොහෝ ඒවා ඒ ඩ්‍රැගන් ස්ලයිම් ඉන්න ඒව සමහර දින බොහෝ ඒවා සමහර දින අපි ඇත්ත ඒවා.
Oh, ඇත්ත ඒවා තියෙන්නේ මෙහෙමයි. The thing is that so games are some games those are created to develop our logical thinking skills. Actually some games are used to train military even. I don't know whether you have heard of ned. Army එක train කරන්න සමහර games පාවිච්චි කරනවා. Militaries train කරන්න. ඒගොල්ලන්ට හිතන්න පුරුදු කරන්න.
අපේ ලංකාවේ ගේම් එකකුත් දාලා තියෙනවා නේවි වලට.
ලංකාවේ
මේ නීරෝස් ඒවයි ගේම් එකක් තියෙනවා මේ මිලිටාමුදා කට්ටියට.
Oh, and I may driving වලට තියෙන games to train driving, to train driving and racing, car racing.
Games, car racing.
Yes, sir.
There are games and flights වලට games තියෙනවා. හේතුව flight again game based training වලින් තමයි flight වල scenarios ඉගෙන ගන්න තියෙන සමහර වෙලාවට. Right, likewise
මේ 4GB වලට මේ games දාගන්න බෑන්ස.
ඔය ඉතින් දැන් ඉතින් games ම තමයි. games දැන් ඇති. හරි ඒකයි මම කිව්වේ ඒක දිගටම යන්න බෑ. දිගටම යන topic එකක් නෙවෙයි. So but the computer games are also needed, but it's a special purpose application, right? Special purpose application means like mainly that is used for especially training and all, entertainment. Yes, for entertainment we can take it for a general purpose. Entertainment games කියනවා general purpose ගන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි training games ඔය මම කියපු ඒවා mind games ඒ වගේ special purpose games තියෙනවා. Puzzle solving and problem solving games. So you know that for hacking also there are games. Yes, for hacking also there are games.
Like editing files.
Yeah, I'm not playing games. I before play games.
All right, okay. Playing games is not actually bad, but overplaying is a bad thing. Addicting to a game, addicting to anything is bad. Right? ඕනම දෙයකට addict වෙන එක bad. සීනි වලට උනත් addict වෙන එක bad නේ. Right? You need to have a limit. Even like
මේ ගේම් එක නෙමෙයි සර් අපිව කන්නේද? ගේම් එක නෙමෙයි අපිව කන්න අපිවම ගන්න.
අන්න ඔයගොල්ලෝ හරියට හිතුවේ නැත්නම් තමයි ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ප්‍රශ්නේ තියෙන්නේ. You have to be in the real world. You have to balance. Balancing means what? So our brain basically it has several portions. So maybe the memory part, logical thinking part, aesthetic part. Different sections are there in our brain. අපේ ඔළුවේ හැදිලා තියෙන එක එක පැති වලට. සමහර ඒවා අපිට මතක තියෙන්න. තමයි සමහර පැති තියෙන්නේ. දැන් ওই සමහර අයට ඔය ෆිල්ම් වල එහෙම වෙන්නේ ඔළුවට හයියෙන් පාරක් වැදුනම මතක නැති වෙන්නේ. එහෙම වෙනවා ඇත්තටම. කොහොම කියලා කියන්නේ. So sometimes that situations comes because that is affecting the memory. ඒ මතකයට ප්‍රශ්න වෙනවා සමහර අයගේ. මතක නැති වෙනවා සමහර තැන් වලට හයියෙන් වැදුනම. එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්. අපේ brain එකේ තියෙන එක එක sections පුතේ. So one section is for aesthetic. Music වලට dancing වලට ඒවට තියෙන එක section එකක්. එතකොට තව section එකක් තියෙනවා මතක තියාගන්න. තව section එකක් තියෙනවා logical thinking. තව section එකක් තියෙනවා mathematical. We have to train all these things. එහෙම නැත්නම් එක පැත්තක් develop වුණේ නැහැ කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. දැන් අපි හැම වෙලේම පාඩම් කරනවා. හැබැයි අපි logical thinking නැහැ. එතකොට අපිට පුළුවන් පොත්වල තියෙනවා විතරයි. එතකොට games වලින් logical thinking පැත්තක් හැදෙනවා. එතකොට ඒකත් ඕන අරකත් ඕන. ඒ විතරක් නෙවෙයි aesthetics උත් ඕන. aesthetics වලින් අපි හැදෙනවා creative thinking කියන එක. Music, dancing. So if you are doing that, that is really, really good. That is developing your creative thinking. Creative thinking උත් ඕන. අයි engineer කෙනෙක්ට පුළුවන් නම් creative විදියට හිතන්න. එතකොට තමයි ඔය Eiffel වගේ ලස්සන ඒවා හදන්නේ. එයාලට හිතන්න පුළුවන් නම් අලුත් විදියට they will create new things, new innovations. Right? Therefore creative thinking is needed. Creative thinking හැදෙන්නේ අර aesthetic වලින්. Another thing, sports. ඒකත් ඕනේ. games නෙමෙයි මේ කියන්නේ sports. Sports කියන්නේ like you go outside and play. That is also needed. That is building our health and also building team skills. We can work as a team, we can understand others, we can play as a team, and we can help each others. That is building through sports. So we need everything to train ourselves. So normally that's what balanced education is. Balanced education is not just books, not just syllabus. It needs many things, right? Okay. So just because you ask about the games, that's why I give that. Okay, forget about that for the moment. Now, basic needs to use an application software. Actually, we need two basic things. The number one is mouse, number two is keyboard. Actually, you know about mouse. Mouse has like this is a wireless mouse. Mouse can be wired or wireless, right? It has two buttons, left click and right click. So normally you keep the mouse like this. මේ විදිහට තමයි සාමාන්‍යයෙන් තියන්නේ. මේ ඇඟිලි දෙකෙන් mouse එක මේ පැත්තෙන් අල්ලා ගන්නවා. මේ ඇඟිල්ලෙන් අනිත් පැත්තෙන් අල්ලා ගන්නවා. එතකොට මේ ඇඟිලි දෙක තමයි mouse එකේ තියෙන්නේ. මැද්දේ stroller wheel එකට ඇඟිල්ලක් නැහැ. There's no finger for the stroller wheel. Normally you take the same finger, this one. You can take this finger and scroll. Only two fingers we place in the mouse, left click and right click.
So my one is wireless too.
Yeah, it can be wireless or wired also. So this is a wired one, left button, right button, scroll wheel to move it up and down. And this is a wireless, this is a normal mouse, and this is a touchpad. And other than that, it can be, I can see a lot of wired mouses and wireless mouse, right? Okay, good. So some mouse are colorful, right? Some mouse are not. But part of bulb mouse. So different. My one is colorless. It's only white color. Simple one.
Mine is only black.
Yes.
Both of us, all of us have.
My one is black and gray.
Black and gray. Yes. Okay, I can see.
Both of us have black.
Black. Right. Okay. Touchpad. Touchpad is alternative, which is coming in the key, coming in the laptops, the touchpad and touchscreen. So which is easy, mouse or touchpad?
Mouse.
Normally mouse is easy.
Touchpad is so hard, sir.
Yes, touchpad is like
It is
quite difficult to use.
not,
But if you have touchscreen,
not,
that will be easy. Touchscreen
it's so easy.
that will be
So
so.
I have touch screen.
Yes, then it is so easy. That means screen itself you can touch and give the. Okay, so functions of the mouse, we can select, we can drag, we can move, we can open, we can give a command, right? We can do a lot of things using mouse. Okay, using mouse, if you double click in a word, it will select the word. Vachanayak select karanna na, if you double click karama, ye vachana select kano. If you click 3 times, 1, 2, 3, it will select the entire line. කොහොමද ඒක කරන්නේ? වචනයක් select කරන්න. For word you can double click. For a sentence or line you can triple click. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 is only one. 1, 2, 3 is the line. Right? තුන් පාරක් click කරොත් line එකම, දෙපාරක් click කරොත් වචනේ විතරයි. Or you can click and drag also. Then also you can select. A cursor එක එනකොට you can click and drag. That is also a selection method. If you click and drag downwards, click karot, then it will select lines, right? Click and drag downwards will select lines. Okay. So then other commands can also be executed using mouse. Actually, so the right click button is there in the keyboard also. Right? Right click button is there in the keyboard also. What is the right click button in the keyboard? Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is called. Yes, it is called menu key or application key. Can you see this keyboard? In this keyboard, yes, you can see the blue color one mentioned here, which is colored in the blue. That is application key or menu key. You can use that key to right click, select some, select a file or folder, and click the application key, press the application key, then you can right click. The keyboard එකේ right click කරන්න පුළුවන්. කොහොමද? මොනවා හරි object එකක් select කරලා මේ application key එක press කරන්න. Some keyboards you don't see application key, right? Don't worry about that.
Sir, මේ මොකද්ද මගේ කේසේ F1 එක ඔබලා තමයි application එක කරන්න පුළුවන්.
එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඔව්. අර ඒක
So in my PC too.
Right, FN and application. Yes, some PCs it's like function with the app. Some keyboards we have to use some keys with the function keys. That is usual FN key.
So,
Right? What is it?
like function key priority mode.
Sorry?
Function key priority mode, hotkey priority mode.
Yes, function keys in the above also, that F1 to F12. Then also you have to use FN, some keyboards. FN එක තමයි use කරන්න.
Yes sir, මේ hotkey priority mode එක දැම්මම sir ඒක මේ එතන විතර කරනවා sir. ඒ කියන්නේ මේ FN එක off වෙනක බලන්න නැතුව එතන ඔබට පුළුවන්.
Wow. ඒක ඒ primary key විදිහට අරක set කරන්න ඕන. We have to set as the primary keys. Then without FN you can type. Okay. So anyway, so let's forget about that for the moment, and now we learn about the mouse and also how to use mouse properly. This is like touching the entire mouse like this is wrong. Keeping 3 fingers is also wrong. Here keeping 1 finger is also wrong. But basically you have to keep 2 fingers in the 2 buttons. Yes, that is the correct way. You are showing it correctly. Manudha, that is correct, right? 2 keys. Yes, Labinu, correct. Yes. Okay, I have seen. Right, yes, we saw. Okay. Then the keyboard. So keyboard is called the primary input. It is the basic or the primary input. Why is that? Why is called basic or the primary? Because keyboard is common. When you use a mobile phone like this, you can see there's a keyboard in a mobile phone. If you use a remote like this, again, you have the keyboard. This is another remote. You can see keys. That is common. If you take,
Our AC is like that too.
yes, if you take this vehicle key, again the same. You can see keys. Keys are everywhere. Therefore, keyboard is called the primary input. ඕනම එකකට තියෙන එකක් තමයි keys. Keys are the primary. So we call mouse එකත් නෙවෙයි ඈ. Computer එකේ the most essential one in computer is keyboard.
Keyboard.
Yes. We can, if you know about the keyboard, we can work super fastly. Right? So have you seen these shortcuts? Have you used these shortcuts? Tell me if you have used. So how to open the Explorer?
Window key and
Windows C.
Windows C.
Windows key and E key. How to open run dialog box?
Windows R.
Windows R.
Windows key and R key. How to lock the computer?
Windows
Windows L
Windows
to
L.
lock. Yes. How to show hide desktop?
Windows D.
Yes, that is Windows key and D key. And how to shift between windows?
Alt and tab.
Yes, it is ALT and tab key. How do we close a window?
Alt F4.
Alt
Alt F4. Alt F4.
Yes,
Alt
is ALT and F4 key. Sometimes Alt FN F4. Or you can press
Yes, sir.
ALT
Hotkey. When hotkey priority mode is on.
yes, Alt space and C also. Alt space C. Yes, that is also. Yes, these are some quick shortcuts that you can use to speed up the usage of the computer. Windows E to open the Explorer. Windows then R to open the run dialog box. Windows L to lock the computer. Windows D to show the desktop. Alt
Windows
tab.
IT settings.
Yes, Windows. Alt tab to the shift between windows. Close in Alt F4. Alt space C to close. Alt space X to maximize. Alt space M to minimize. Right? Like yes.
So we can shut down the computer by using Alt F4. No?
Yes, Alt F4 few times after closing the window, it will display the shutdown. It will close all the windows and show the shutdown option. Okay, so let's see this in your computer. So who would like to share now? Otherwise, it's a little bit boring. No, I'll let you share the screen. Anyone can share? Okay, Tenura. So Windows E. Windows E.
Sir, make Windows 10.
Yeah, Windows 11.
Windows 11.
Windows E.
Sir, make Windows 10. මං edit කරගත්තා sir මේකේ තියෙන ඒවා.
theme එක වෙනස් කරගත්තද?
ඔව් sir.
Alright. Windows E එක දාන්න. Windows E. Press කරන්න බෑ Windows key E key. Explorer. Windows key E key will show the Explorer. And Alt F4. Alt F4. Alt Fn. Oh yes, Alt F4 will close that. දැක්කනේ mouse එක හොලවන්නවත් ඕන නැහැ. ආපහු Windows එකයි E එකයි press කරන්න. Windows E, then Alt space X, Alt ekai space ekai X ekai, it will maximize. See how easy? Isn't it faster?
Sir, may maximize කරේ කොහොමද sir?
Alt ekai space ekai X ekai. Alt space then X. Alt space R will restore down. Alt space R will restore down. Okay, then Alt F4 to close. Alt F4 to close again. Click on the right click on the desktop using application key. You can right click. Oh no, not using keyboard. Just using application key you can right click. And then Alt Shift N. Sorry, Control Shift N. Control Shift N. New folder. It will create a new folder. Press a name and type a name. Don't move the mouse. F2. F2. Oh, don't move the mouse. Press F2. F2 rename. Then type a name and press enter. Namak type karla. Enter karan. Okay. Shift delete. Shift delete. We'll delete that. Press enter. And
Sir,
Windows.
In my laptop, sir, there's not key with delete, sir.
Shift delete. You have to select a
No, sir,
folder.
I mean, there are no key like delete.
Delete na?
Yes, sir, may sir kita ini sir may langka ini sir na. May UK keyboard din sir.
UK keyboard ඇති මෙතන මේ delete එක ගන්න. ඔය ඕකේ තියෙන ඔය delete එක ගන්න පුළුවන්. On screen එකේ. You can use on screen keyboard. Okay, another thing. And Windows key and R key. Windows key R key. Then WinWord. Yes.
සර් මේ ගිය සතියේ කියලා දුන්නේ අර මේ ටෙක්ස්ට් ડોකියුමන්ට් එකකින් මේ අර අයිකන් එක වෙනස් කරලා අර වර්ඩ් ඒවා කරගන්න විදිය. එතකොට මේ මගේ එකේ වෙන්නේ නැහැ සර් මේ ඊට පස්සේ සුදු පාට එකක් පෙන්වන්නේ වෙනම එක.
ඒ icon එක නැතිකොට තමයි සුදු පාට එක එන්නේ පුතේ. හරිය නම්බර් එකක් දෙන්න ඕන icon එකට. ඒක ආයෙ try කරලා බලන්නකෝ. ආයෙ සරයක් වීඩියෝ එක බලන්න. Right. Okay. Then type WinWord. Windows and R key, WinWord. WinWord.
That's
WORD. WORD. Press enter. That is open in MS Word. Right. Likewise, everything can be done using keyboard in a faster way. Hari me දැන් ඔය මම පෙන්නේ උදාහරණ. Yes.
Sir, may මොකක්ද මගේ word එක sir pay කරන්න ඕනේ sir.
පේ කරන්න ඕන ඕනම කෙනෙක්. දැන් මෙයාගෙත් මේ ඇක්ටිවේට් වෙලා නැහැ රතු පාටින් පෙන්න. ඇක්ටිවේෂන් ෆේල් කිය.
මගේ ඇක්ටිවේට් වෙලා තිබ්බේ ඊට පස්සේ ආපහු අන්ඇක්ටිවේට් වුණා.
ඔව් එහෙම වෙනවා. ඔයාලගේ ලයිසන් කී එක ඉවර වුණාම ලයිසන් එකේ එක්ස්පයර් වුණාමත් වෙනවා. නැත්නම් ලයිසන් කී එකේ
නෑ sir මගේ පාන් ලැප් එකේ sir මම තිබ්බ හොඳද? දැන් මේ පාන් එකේ තමයි මේ අලුත් එකේ තමයි මේ pay කරන්න ඕනේ මට.
පරණ එකේ මෙහෙම තියෙන්නේ නැති අපි. පරණ එකේ ට්‍රැක් කරලා තියෙන්නේ නැති. හරි. අලුත් එකේ ට්‍රැක් කරලා නැහැනේ. track කරනවා කියන්නේ හොර වැඩ. පරණ එකේ track කරලා තියෙන්නේ නැති. දැන් අලුත් එකේ track කරලා නැති තියෙන වැඩ. license key එක එනවා නැති. හරි. මේ හොරටම තියෙන. නෑ ඒක අහන්න එපා. මගේ ඊට පස්සේ මගේ channel එක ආයෙ සරයක් ban කරන්න ඔයා. hacking ගැන එකපාරක් කියලා දීලා දැන් මම මේක මොකද ඊට පස්සේ ඒගොල්ලන්ට සිංහලෙන් කියලා දෙන්න බෑ.
channel එකට මොකක්ද උනේ?
So because there's a video about hacking. That is not about hacking actually. Hacking and hackers. I was discussing a question paper. There are different type of hackers කියලා question එකක් තිබ්බා. I was discussing about that hacking and hackers. Due to that, Facebook thought that YouTube thought my channel is related to hacking, and they have they have actually muted, or they have deactivated channel. Then I have to write them that this is not about hacking, this is about education. I was discussing a paper. Then they have re-enabled after checking it because they cannot. Yes.
සර් YouTube channel එකට පුළුවන් නම් command prompt වල keys ගැන පොඩ්ඩක් දාන්න පුළුවන් ද වීඩියෝ එක?
දැනට තියෙනවා පුතේ. දැක්කේ නැද්ද?
නෑ නේ සර්.
Okay, you can go and search in YouTube. You can go and search that, right? So ගිහිල්ලා බලන්න චුට්ටක්. Just go to YouTube. Or just search like this in Google, command prompt, and then search Dasun Nilanjana in Google. You'll find that.
සර් Google එකට පින්තූරයක් දාන්නේ කොහොමද කාගේ හරි මගේ හරි?
Where you want to put that? In a theme or කොහෙටද වඩ දාන්න ඕනද?
Google එකේ images වලට සර් පින්තූර search කරාම ඒක එන විදිහට
පින්තූර search කරාම එන විදිහට ඒකට වඩ website එකකට හරි කොහෙට හරි දාන්න වෙනවා. You have to publish it. Maybe you can put it in your
නෑ සර් දාලා තියෙන images වලට දැන් ඕකේ images එකට ගියම සර් දාලා පින්තූර පේනවනේ ඒ වගේ.
මේකේ තියෙන විදිහටද?
ඔව් සර් දාලා තියෙන සර්ගේ පින්තූර.
දාලා නෑ පුතේ. Different websites are showing that. I have not put that. So because I have different websites, or different website has my here the YouTube channel and Facebook, and different websites are having that now. So therefore, when you go there, you can see that. But normally, you have to put it in your website normally. ඔයාලා website එකක් හදලා දාන්න. එතකොට ඒක list වෙනවා search එකේ. Okay. So let's go back to the lesson. We were discussing about keyboard and also about the fast ways of accessing things using keyboard shortcuts. And when you type somewhere,
Yes, sir.
okay, when you type somewhere, so this is called cursor. When you type here, the blinking one, that is called cursor. Cursor can be moved up and down using arrow keys, and left and right using the arrow keys also. So those are also called cursor movement keys. Keyboard එකේ arrow keys වලින් මේ cursor එක එහාට මෙහාට ගෙනියන්න. Cursor is the active typing location. Is showing the active typing location. And right here, so if you see the cursor, when you click and drag right side, it will select the word, or if you go end of the words and select the cursor, then right to left, then also it will select. And if you go up to down like this, go to the beginning and go downwards, it will select lines. And go to the last line and go upwards, it will also select lines. So that is the cursor and cursor movement commands. Okay. And another thing, when you are typing, if you want to make something capitalized, the easiest way is you can type the key with shift key. Let's say you want A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, now in capital, I, J, K, L. While pressing the shift key, type that. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, again. So likewise, if you want to type simple and capital mix, if you want to shift between the simple capital letters, use shift key. Shift key එක යොදාගෙන අපිට පුළුවන් ඕන වෙලාවට capital කරගන්න, ඕන වෙලාවට simple කරගන්න. Caps lock එකෙනුත් පුළුවන්. But caps lock will permanently change entire keyboard. එහෙම නැතුව අපි කරනවා නම් shift key එක press කරගෙන අකුරු type කරන්න. Then it will make capital. Okay. Then these are the special keys: space bar for space, tab key for actually keeping tabs, gaps, enter key to go to the next line, and backspace to delete. So how you delete using delete key? Delete key can also be used for deleting. How? Delete key is deleting the other way.
Selecting and delete.
Select and delete is also possible. එහෙම නැත්නම් මුලට ගිහිල්ලා delete කරන්න. එතකොට delete key එකෙන් delete වෙනවා. අගට ගිහිල්ලා delete කරනකොට තමයි backspace. Go to the beginning and delete using delete key. Then it is deleting the other way. Noticed? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Delete key can also be used for deleting. Deleting, that is deleting. Delete key is deleting from left to right. Backspace is deleting from right to left. Okay. Then, okay. So how do we use keyboard correctly, fastly? That is using touch typing. Touch typing means you are not going to touch the, you are not going to see the keyboard. Keyboard එක බලන්නේවත් නැතුව type කරන්න ඕන. So that is a skill. Okay, so let me give you an example. මොකද්ද මනෝත් මේ අබිනු? ඒක practice කරන්න. If you practice, you can do that. But you have to practice it. How?
So I have to do the tux typing.
Right, you can use tux typing or type in study. මෙහෙමයි දැන් මුල් කාලේ, so first time when I was driving, I wanted to, like, you know, driving there are ABC, you know, accelerator, brake and clutch. You can ask from your parents. If you are driving a manual vehicle, if there is an auto vehicle, then you have only accelerator and brake. But there's a clutch in manual vehicles. Basically, that is called ABC, accelerator, brake, clutch. So when I was driving first time, so when I want to see the accelerator, I see where's the accelerator. Okay, now the steering wheel turned the other way. Right, next the brake, the steering wheel is going other way or knocking somewhere. Right. Likewise, it was difficult the first time. But have you seen drivers watching where's the accelerator, where's the brake, and where's the clutch? Are they watching that?
No, sir.
That is like touch typing. That is like touch typing. If you practice the touch typing, you are like a driver, right? So driver is a super fast person to take decisions. So he sends the ABC, accelerator, brake, clutch. So similar to that, if you are a good driver for the computer, you have to use your ABC, the touch typing. So that's why J key and F key is there. You can touch and sense that. J and F key. The make keys දෙක තියෙන්නේ. This row is called home row. The center row, this row is called, let me show this. This row is called home row. Look at home row again. Why it is home row? Because when you move and so this, let's take example, this index finger, which is in J. When you type letter 7, you have to come back to the J. When you type Y, again come back to the J. Go to H, type it, come back to the J. Go to N and come back to the J. Likewise, you always come back to the home row. Index finger should be there in the J key only. After typing, this return. Again, type करा उड़ट गया पल्लेट आवा. Type करा पल्लेट आवा. Side एकर गया type करा आवा. पल्लेट गया type करा आवा.